Welcome back to the start of a new week, and still on the Mark 1 obviously. Yeah, start of a new week. Hopefully the roof will turn up this week. It's due in tomorrow, Tuesday in your world. So fingers crossed that does turn up. I've got a couple of little bits to do, still grinding on the roof area, which I didn't do in the videos for how to change the roof, but I think it'll be fine. And also I want to just maybe start filling up these couple of little holes that have been put in there that I've never figured out why. Do a couple of little simple jobs because it's quite warm again today. Yeah, and just see what little jobs we can get done. Because yeah, we're starting to get there now. So yeah, got myself a bag of Monster Munch. And yeah, let's crack on. Let's see if we can fill some holes first, feel successful. I'll just put you in the holes just so you can see the holes, which you all know about, because I think you saw them last time. Bang, look, these two holes. There's two holes the other side that are a bit smaller. Which we might be able to just do with weld actually, because they're just tiny little bolt holes. If not, we can definitely at least drop a bit of aluminium down and then weld them up that way. Just about what you could nearly do with those, but they're quite big, so what we'll do, we'll grind a little bit of metal and yeah, see if we can fill the holes in. Let's do it, let's do it. Ain't too bad, it'll do. They were a little bit dented low down anyway. Well, obviously somebody had already done the filler work, you know, and just pugged them up. So I've left them a little bit low anyway, because then we can just put a very light bit of skim on it, you know, again, being professionals, or they wouldn't even need any filler or lead load or anything like that, but that's us. The other option you could have done is quite easy, I would have thought, just got a plate down on the back there, you know, and didn't even, you know, I just tried to cut a plate so it filled the hole. But to be honest, you know, to save these cars, you could put a little square plate on the back sort of thing and just weld that on. Would have done the same sort of job. No one would ever have noticed until one day somebody restored it and stripped the roof down, and they'd have seen a slight patch, you know, seen the patch on the back. You wouldn't be able to tell from the front at all any difference whether it was just a patch on the back or whether it was tried to fill it in. So a little bit high still, but we'll yeah, that's all right. We can work with that. So yeah. Alright, it's warm. I've got just a bit of the rear of the roof to grind down, so I'm just going to show you me doing that, because that's a boring thing to show. Just a little bit awkward. I'm trying to grind. I'm going to try and roll the car over a little bit more. It's just a pain this back bit. But what else can you do? What else can you do? So yeah, let's roll it over a bit. Let's see if we can get a better angle. Okay, border grind on the roof. More to do still, but bloody boring. So yeah, what I might do is either try and take, no, I don't know what I'm going to do. Take the master cylinders off. Who knows what I'm going to do? What I was looking at is this housing in the rev counter, because that looked like it was one of those HSPQ ones as well, or something. I saw somebody on the Mark 1 Facebook page the other day. just trying to give that a bit of a clean to see if it comes off the cowl on it. It's like a flat screwdriver we need. There, we got it out. It's got some markings on it. Viking. Let's clean the old down a bit. Yeah. Quite a little snazzy thing. Smith's RPM times 100. So yeah. Whether we can get it working or not is another question. Got a little light bulb on the top. I think it's a case of, yeah, stripping it down, see if we can get the old shop blaster to give it a blast over and see what it comes up like. Interesting. Any history? Please shout, people. Okie dokie, I was just going around with the wire wheel in preparation for doing the roof during the week. Still some more grinding to do, always going to be more grinding. You have to do a bit more over the weekend. And yeah, no, it's hot. So yeah. All right. Yeah, it's looking alright. Should have taken that gear linkage off while I had half the floor undone, because then it's a lot easier to get to the bolts on both sides. Anyway, you live and learn, don't you? Live and learn. So yeah, steering column's got to come out, yeah. Brake pedal box. I don't know how easy those clevis pins are going to be. They sometimes rust so much down at the bottom there. But yeah, we are getting somewhere, that is for sure. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to start talking to the paint people soon, talk about paints and things like that. And yeah, definitely getting closer, that's for sure. Alright, let me see if I can think of anything else to do before we call it a day. Sorry. It's getting a bit boring, these videos, aren't they? You're just like constantly grinding. I seriously need to clean up, don't I, guys? I know. Any volunteers want to come around and clean my garage for me? There must be some OCD people out there getting really wound up with the state of my garage. Anyway, so I just welded up 2 little holes on the other side, ground them off. Just while I can, while the roof's off, makes it a bit easier. I'm just going to see if I can get my compressor fired up, and we just there's just little bits where the roof is, and there's like little gutter sections. The old bit of roof's still in there. It's damn hard, so I'm thinking I've got a little angle grind, die grinder. Just see if I can grind that away, the layer of the roof that I can't get to, but I've cut off and left. Okay, calling it for today. It's hot, done lots of little bits, nothing major, but it's all little bits. That die grinder works, but God, must go get a pair of gloves because it shakes your fingers to bits. So yeah, I'm getting there inside those gutters. It's a bit slow process, but it's just the way it is. Yes, yeah, don't underestimate how big a job a roof is. As I said, I'm hoping once all the prep work's done, the actual spot welding of the roof is going to be nice and quick. But yeah, don't underestimate how long it takes. Someone did mention about having a, they've got a little belt sander, real thin one. That worked really well, so I might have a quick look on Screwfix, see how much they are, because can't have enough tools sometimes, can you? Sometimes these tools are only 20-30 quid for a basic model, which does what you need. Because yeah, I reckon that would work quite well actually. You could just, so yeah, we'll go have a quick Google on that and see how much they are. So anyway, barbecue for tea as always at the moment because it's just so hot, and a couple of cans of Stella. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Not too sure if the next episode will have the roof or not, but in the definitely this week I'm hoping the roof will be in. So one of the episodes this week will be us collecting the roof and hopefully fitting it if we get all this bits done. Anyway, ciao for now, as they say.